Hello friends, today we will understand four different use of enter button in Excel. The first is very common and everybody know that when you are typing the data and after typing you will press enter, it will shift to next cell, next down cell. Even if you are not typing, you can just simply press enter, it will shift to next cell. And then is control plus enter. If you want to insert data, same data in multiple cell, so what you need to do, you just need to select all those cell and you need to type in one cell only 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then press control plus enter. So you will see the data will be pasted in all selected cell. And the next is alt plus enter. In alt plus enter you will be shifted in next row in the same cell. Let's see. Now if you want to type in same cell but in next row, you need to press alt plus enter. You will see it is shifted to new row. And then again alt plus enter. You can see it is shifting to next row in same cell. After entering, you will see it will remain in one cell. And then next is control plus enter. Control plus enter, usually when we are typing the data, after typing we are pressing enter and cursor is moving to next cell, next down cell. But when you will press control plus enter same time, it will remain in the same cell. Let's see. Now I'll press control plus enter. So see, same Excel is in same cell, cursor and selected cell is same where I type the data. Thanks for watching.